Everything you need will be at the end of the video. Cut the T in half. Drill a 5/16 hole in 3/4 inch cap. Drill a 5/32 hole in T. Set T in place, drill a 5/32 hole. Fasten T using a number 12 screw. Secure opposite side of T using a hose clamp. Place washer, lock washer, screw, washer on the outside, tighten to spring. Place lock washer on bag bolt, install spring, tighten. Super important that the bar is tight as it can be. Drill two 5/32 holes at each end. Install number 12 screws. This will keep the pipe from turning. Attach 3/4 inch cap to the 3/4 inch nipple. Tighten as tight as possible and you're ready. If you want to know how to make a door frame speed bag, just go to DIYboxing.com.